it's Olivia, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys in time-lapse how to make 4 different slimes. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the slime I just made is just the original slime, not fluffy or anything. Just the original slime that was around in like the 80s, and yeah, I love this one so much. It's super stretchy and super fun to play with. On to the next one. Alrighty guys, so I finished this slime, and this is just a basic fluffy slime, and I love this one a lot, especially because of the poking, so I'm going to show you that real quick. As you can see, it's really good, and yeah, and it's super drizzly and just stretchy, so on to the next one. Alright guys, so what I just made is a just classic butter slime, and I love this one so much, and it drizzles so well, and now I'm going to be showing you the spreading effects. It is literally so good at spreading, and it literally, guys, just looks like butter. It is amazing, so I hope you enjoy this one. Alright, so this was my final product for my Galaxy slime. It turned out super cool, and I just love the extra little sparkles in there. And here is the poking. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. See you next week.